Welcome to City Limits Antiques and Reclaimed Materials in Higginsville, Missouri. I'm Master Millwright Jim Martin, and this is my Woodmaster 4000. We bought this machine months ago. We've used it and put through thousands of linear feet of material. This machine is a four-sided shaper planer machine. So you can shape, mold, plane, anything you want to do, all in one pass with 4 different cutters. I have a top cutter here with 2 knives in it. You also put your shaper blades in here. This is the left-hand cutter. It has planing knives in it. This is also where you insert your shaper blades and tongue and groove cutters. This is the right-hand cutter. It has planer knives in it currently. You also put your shaper blades, tongue and groove cutters here. This is your bottom cutter over here in the base of the machine. It has 2 adjustable knives in it, and there's also a place here for shaper cutters also. We take in the barn wood from the guys who are tearing the barns down. Some of this lumber has stood in the woods for 250, 300 years. Prior to the farmers taking the lumber to the sawyer, we find elm, American elm, walnut, white oak, red oak, all very tight grain material and materials that you just cannot find anymore. This is a piece of white oak material that was taken out of a barn harvested here locally at Higginsville. It's a piece of white oak, but by looking at it from the outside, you never know. We take this material and resaw it, open the lumber up, where you can see the beautiful grain inside of the material. And then after that, we run this material through our Woodmaster WM4000, which gives us a finished cut, opens the grain up, and shows you the beauty in the wood. This is a recycled material. It's reclaimed out of barns, so the carbon footprint is already burned. That makes us economically friendly and eco-friendly. It's an American-made product built in Kansas City, Missouri. It's American-made, and we can't beat it. It's good for us because if we have downtime or we have an issue with the machine, I can call Kansas City, order the parts, and they're here tomorrow. So I have what I need locally. All 4 sides cut, S4S, planed on both sides. I've used this machine extensively in the last several months that we've owned it and have had no issues with the machine. It gives me high productivity and moves on through whatever I need to do. This is a great machine. It does what we expect it to do. All we got to do is set it up. It's the same from the first run to the finish. I highly recommend this machine. It gives us a valuable product for our consumers that brings them back. I enjoy my Woodmaster, and I know you will too.